First set. Weak creature. Reach the tip. The leaves are thick and gilt. He saw a ship loaded in the ship. Second set. Tame red fox. Shape of the ponder. Pay your debt at this gate. I will wait until heaven sends hail. Third set. Bad shop. Back for the holiday. The mad cop is wearing a top hat. His dad got a couple of blank checks. Fourth set. Flew to the moon. Blue book. The boy stood on the stool. Your spool is on my toolbox. Fifth set. Old cloth. Notes of the cord. Ghost stories are favorites of the author. While walking on the snow, we saw a frozen paw.